Happening in a few hours, a federal judge hears arguments on the 133 international students whose visas were revoked by the Trump administration. This after Judge Victoria Calvert issued a temporary restraining order blocking the government from terminating the legal statuses of those students. So let's bring in CBS News Department of Justice correspondent Scott Macfarlane, who's following this story and much more for us. Scott, could we see a more longer-term relief for these students in today's hearing?
We could see that, and that's what those students are chasing here. An extension of this freeze so that they can keep their visas, stay enrolled, and avoid the prospect of deportation. You know, tracking all of these cases that involve deportation in the federal system is like whack-a-mole. They're popping up in different courthouses across the country, but this one we're focused on in Georgia is uniquely important because it involves many dozens of students, and this judge could make a model for other judges to follow by extending this freeze for a closer review of whether it is lawful for the administration to pull visas that have been issued to international college students. You can just sense there are other cases waiting to pop based on what happens today in Georgia.
Oh, we shall wait and see, Scott. And we know that there's been another delay in the case of Kilmar Abrego Garcia. That's the Maryland man who was deported to El Salvador. Can you tell us more about that case and what's happening?
This one's curious. The judge in Maryland, who has been vitriolic in her criticisms of the Trump administration's handling of this case, and her argument has been the Trump administration seems to be defying the courts in this case. This judge has pushed back until a week from yesterday, Wednesday, a deadline for the administration to explain how it's getting Abrego Garcia back from El Salvador and why he's there in the first place. And one of the things that makes this curious is that there were put on the docket yesterday some sealed court filings, not for public review, and there appears to be some indication the two sides, those arguing for Abrego Garcia and those arguing for the Trump administration, have aligned on some possible plan or some type of agreement. Don't know what that agreement would be, but in this particularly heated, dramatic, and now national case, any agreement is going to be noteworthy. We will find out for sure a week from yesterday in the Washington suburb of Greenbelt, Maryland.
Yeah, yet another case we know you'll stay on top of. Scott, the American Civil Liberties Union, which represents many deported migrants, is asking the Supreme Court for clarification about due process of would-be deportees. What exactly is going on there?
Yeah, another potentially impactful case for cases still to come. What the American Civil Liberties Union is trying to do is get the Supreme Court to spell out in black and white what is due process for these deportees, because the Supreme Court a few weeks ago ordered any of these Alien Enemies Act, emergency wartime power deportations the Trump administration has enacted have to ensure due process, but they didn't spell out what that is. The ACLU is pressing the court to put it down on paper. What's due process so we know that it's being honored or we know if it's being breached.
We'll see what they say. Scott Macfarlane, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.